I've seen those movies with dogs.
Oh man, son of a bitch, what a rough day with them stupid ass idiot drivers cutting you in and out and they cut. Oh, I got a shit. My jug. What the hell? Oh, son of a bitch. I just can't live without my jug of sarsaparilla.